A treehouse is undoubtedly one of the most cherished childhood dreams. It provides a unique sanctuary nestled amidst nature, where imaginations run wild, and childhood adventures come to life. While modern treehouses have evolved with complex designs and luxurious amenities, there is a special charm in building a vintage-style treehouse that takes you back to simpler times. In this video, we will explore the step-by-step process of constructing a vintage-style treehouse that exudes nostalgia and creates lasting memories. Selecting the perfect tree is crucial for a safe and sturdy treehouse. Opt for robust and mature trees with strong branches, preferably hardwoods like oak, maple, or birch. Consider the proximity to other trees, sunlight availability, and the tree's health before making the final decision. Consulting an arborist is highly recommended. Moreover, the design of a vintage-style treehouse often reflects classic aesthetics, reminiscent of childhood tales and rustic charm. Research different vintage architectural styles such as Victorian, Gothic, or arts and crafts, and incorporate their elements into your design. Pay attention to details like decorative trim, gingerbread accents, and traditional windows. Sketching out the plan and visualizing the final outcome is essential before beginning the construction process. Choosing the right materials plays a significant role in achieving the vintage look. Utilize natural materials like wood, including cedar or reclaimed lumber, for the construction. Consider using hand-forged iron fittings, antique doorknobs, stained glass windows, and salvaged vintage accessories to add authenticity to your treehouse. Salvage yards and flea markets can be excellent sources for unique and vintage materials. Ensuring a stable foundation and support system is crucial for the safety of your vintage-style treehouse. Use galvanized lag bolts and high-quality steel brackets to anchor the structure securely to the tree without harming its health. Building a strong platform with beams and support beams will distribute the weight evenly and reduce strain on the tree. Begin the construction by framing the walls and roof of your vintage-style treehouse. Utilize traditional carpentry techniques, such as mortise and tenon or dovetail joints, to add authenticity and durability. Incorporate decorative elements like intricate woodwork or ornamental trims to enhance the vintage aesthetic. Ensure proper insulation and weatherproofing to make your treehouse usable in different seasons. Furthermore, the interior design of a vintage-style treehouse should evoke the charm of a bygone era. Opt for vintage-inspired wallpapers, salvaged hardwood floors, and period-specific furniture pieces to create an authentic ambience. Incorporate vintage lighting fixtures, antique artwork, and vintage fabrics to complete the nostalgic atmosphere. A cozy reading nook or a vintage-style fireplace can add warmth and comfort to the space. While focusing on the vintage appeal, never compromise on safety. Install proper railings, secure ladders, and sturdy flooring to ensure the structure is safe for use. Regular maintenance, including checking for loose bolts, termite protection, and periodic inspections, is essential for the durability and longevity of your treehouse. Enhance the vintage charm of your treehouse by paying attention to the surroundings. Plant flowering vines to wrap around the treehouse, creating a fairy tale-like appearance. Set up antique-style garden furniture, a vintage swing, or a quaint pathway leading to the entrance. Pay attention to landscaping details like lush greenery, flower beds, and charming garden decor to create an inviting outdoor space. Building a vintage-style treehouse is not just about creating a structure, it's about crafting an immersive experience that transports you to a simpler, nostalgic time. The process involves selecting the right tree, meticulous planning, and attention to detail in design and materials. By incorporating vintage elements and creating a cozy interior, you can bring your childhood dreams to life while enjoying the beauty and serenity of nature. Embark on this journey back in time, and create a vintage-style treehouse that becomes a treasured place of joy and wonder for generations to come. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.